Hello, in front of me I've got POCO F5. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty, and now select Loyalty program you are participating in. You can scan your card or enter a member ID manually. Now let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty card because you have to select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's basically it. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.